Alright, what is up guys? Scott here with the fourth video of this 2.7 build. Quick rundown, update. I ended up fucking up my first piston heads that I pulled out from the original 2.7 that I had. And I made the rookie mistake of leaving him soaked for more than 24 hours in purple power, thinking that would work. And all that really did was it ate at the metal and it peeled off the friction surfaces on the sides of the piston heads, basically making them useless. You can't reuse them once those friction surfaces have been fucked with. I took him to a shop. The guy at the shop was like, yeah, you can't use those, so don't even bother. He says that they're coated by factory. Molly is the company that makes them, if I'm saying that right. Molly. And so basically I had to go to the junkyard 2 days ago and pull out a 2.7 motor from a A6 that was there, pulled it out, took it apart, took out the crank, took out the pistons. Comes to turn out that those that were in that A6 were also fucked. So then I went to another junkyard down the block that very same day, pulled another motor out, took out the pistons, and they were a bit better on those. They did have some it looked like they used red transmission fluid to kind of clean it. You know, sometimes they do that trick or whatnot. So I ended up cleaning them. They did have a lot of carbon deposit on top of the piston head surface, and I cleaned them up the right way, which I think I should have done the first time. Let me just show you guys. So this is the end result of that 24-hour purple power soaking method. Honestly turned it into this black color, really just messed it up, ate the friction surface, as you can see there. See if it can focus. You can kind of see it. I don't know why it's not focusing. There. So as you can see, it ate the whole friction surface. So these basically ride up and down the cylinder walls, and this is very important. So I took it to the machine shop. They said it was unusable. It's basically trash at this point because this is coated from factory. And yeah, lesson learned there. So what I ended up doing was I basically just took purple power, sprayed it on top, and had it running under hot water, and with a light brush I hit him, and honestly came out really good. Took me about 10 minutes to do. 10.7 markings are showing, the arrows as well, and honestly, lesson learned there. Don't do that purple power soaking method. It was horrible. Another video is I'm gonna just show you guys how to install your rods onto your piston heads, as well with the piston rings that I've already went ahead and installed. I've done 3 of them just to kind of get it through it, but I'm going to be showing you guys on one of these, just because if I show you the other 2, if I did it all 6, it would have just taken way too long. So going to show you guys how to do that. I am going with the IE rods, as you guys can see. Integrated Engineering. I've heard good things about them, so check them out. Not a sponsored video. I wish they'd pay me for fucking saying that, but they don't. Piston rings are already off. As you can see, I took them off. I only snapped one, so I'm pretty proud of myself considering the fact that I don't have my snap ring plier tool, the one that opens them up. I used my finger, but as you can tell, it's already eating at my thumb. But honestly, only snapped 2 of them. Did fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to remove it on a time-lapse video, and hopefully you guys can get something out of it. So let's get to it. Alright, so you're gonna need a real thin flathead to insert it into the groove where the snap ring is at in order to remove the connecting rod, and you're only gonna remove one side. Basically just pry up, and you might want to have a towel or just put your hand here, because when you do remove it, it is gonna fly out and it can hit you in the eye, and something you don't want to happen. So I'm gonna show you how it's done now. So The cool thing about the package from Molly is that they send it with some instructions on it, with specs, which I've already read. Each box comes with one. And you know, they've been so helpful as well with labeling where each ring goes: oil ring, second ring, and top ring. I like to start off with the oil ring, which is the one that you should generally always go with first, just because it's easier to put on. This one's always going to be the easiest to install, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. There it is. So again, what you're going to want to do is put some oil on them, just so it slides real easy into the bottom. And you want to make sure that if you don't have the pliers set that you're supposed to use to install these, I would say just be very careful. I'm gonna do them that way just because I don't have that tool. I do have it, but it broke, so I'm gonna resort to this. I'm gonna do the remaining two off camera just because it's gonna take too long. I just kind of want to show you guys what the update was with the rods that I had, what rods I was going with, and how to install the rings, and this how to remove and reinstall the snap ring. So pretty much it, guys. It was gonna be a short video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what not to do on my rookie mistake of soaking for 24 hours in Purple Power. Do not do this. This is trash now. Lesson learned. Had to bust my ass at the junkyard trying to get these. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe the video. I'm gonna try to get another video next week, so hopefully I can get a video even tomorrow, me putting these bad boys on to the block. So like I said, like and subscribe, comment please, anything you think I could do better or what you think I should have done better. And yeah, catch you guys on the next video. Peace.